Welcome back. Symptoms for COVID-19 can linger for months, forcing people to stay home from work, which has led many people to seek out financial assistance. Now, this is uncharted territory for insurance companies, and recent reports show that long-term disability claims are being increasingly denied. For more on how to navigate the system, we're joined by Sivan Tumarkin, disability and personal injury lawyer. Good morning, Sivan, and thank you so much for joining us. Now, for people suffering from these long-haul COVID-19 symptoms, which are quite serious, what can they do to ensure their disability claims aren't denied?
Well, this is unfortunately becoming quite common, and there are three things I tell people that they should do. Number one, they should be in touch with their primary care physicians or any specialists that they're going to see. That's very, very key. And whether that's in person or virtually, they need to be in touch with their doctors. Number two, they have to follow their doctor's recommendations because the insurance companies will look for that. If you don't follow doctor's recommendations, you will be cited for noncompliance and likely denied. And the third thing is make sure that the insurance companies receive a letter, a report, or notes from your doctors, whoever's treating you, explaining why it is that you are disabled because of the COVID-19 virus. And that could be physical or psychological. But as long as there is this medical support given to insurance companies, you should be approved.
Okay, so give us a sense of what the climate is right now in the industry. How are insurance companies treating these applications?
Unfortunately, not very well in my experience. And I've been speaking with people from across the country, and not just in Ontario. And, insurance companies, generally speaking, like to deny claims if they can, again, based on my experience and colleagues' experience. And especially with COVID-19, where it is such a new virus, still, insurance companies are skeptical. But the reality is that in order to qualify for long-term disability under a long-term disability policy, which is a private policy, it's not government, this is a private policy, you have to demonstrate through the help of your doctors, again, through reports, notes, letters from your doctors, that you cannot do the essential tasks of your own occupation or any occupation, depending on where you are in the policy. But the climate is not great because insurance companies are just denying left, right, and center, and people assume then when they get denied long-term disability, then that's the end of the road, and that's just not true. If you are disabled from working and your doctors confirm that, you have a case.
Okay, then, so that takes us to my next question. If your claim is denied, then what do you do next?
So I tell people, look, there are three options really for you if your claim is denied. Number one, which is the worst option, I think, is to walk away, to simply accept whatever the insurance company is telling you at face value and just walk away. And remember, insurance companies are in the business of making money. I don't begrudge them of that, but that's the nature of their business. So do not walk away. So then that leaves two options. The second option is appealing those decisions. And again, I tell people, stay away from those appeals because those appeals are internal processes. You're essentially re-asking the insurance company to approve you, even though they've denied you the first time. And especially with COVID-19, we're not seeing much success in that way. And so the third option is to consult a disability lawyer. And I'm not saying people should be contacting me. They can, but they can contact anyone who deals in this area of law. It's a specialty area of law. And once you go to a disability lawyer, the thing is that it only takes us a few minutes, really, of looking at the necessary documentation to tell you if the insurance company's denial is valid or not. And in quite a few instances, I can tell you, I've spoken personally to people, reviewed their documents, and have told them, no, you should be paid. And you do have options, and they're not difficult options to get the insurance company to pay you.
Alrighty, so it sounds like quite the undertaking, though, if you are deciding to file a claim, and it looks like you'll need a healthy dose of persistence to see it through. But that does take us to time, Sivan. That is Sivan Tumarkin, disability and personal injury lawyer. Thank you again so much for your time on this very interesting topic.
Thanks for having me.